IFS R&D Supply Chain. CSR Day 2025. We reached Rajawaka Conservation Center by Rainforest Protectors Sri Lanka at around 9 a.m. and it took a good 20-minute hike to reach the conservation camp. Initial safety precautions were followed and the instructions were given to the group by the camp residents. Rajawaka area is located on the border of wet zone and intermediate zone with a range of different landscapes, rich biodiversity from elephants, leopards to plenty of natural bee colonies, different precious mineral resources, and uniquely diverse ecosystems. Our plan was to plant more than 200 endemic and native trees in the area, which happen to have highly invasive and fire-friendly grasslands and scrub forests. Our members took the plants to the plantation site, which had a challenging terrain. We managed to plant more than 200 trees as planned. It was challenging, adventurous and time-consuming, but above all, working together was fun. This reforestation activity made us understand the value of conserving forests, which benefits in creating a wildlife heaven, rejuvenating lost streams, springs and greenery, and ensures rich biodiversity. According to the Rainforest Protectors of Sri Lanka, we managed to plant the highest number of trees planted in a single day in this reforestation project thus far, which is a remarkable achievement and something we can all be proud of. Every tree we plant is a promise to the future. Let's keep growing together.